Tonight we got something different. We're here for Dylan and Mackenzie. Dylan's serving our country, and he's deployed, but he's here to get married today. And he's a car guy, and I don't think he has any clue that we're out here, but we're out here with a little bit of a car show. And hopefully he'll be surprised. And let's see who's here in the meantime. Well, there it is. There's a nice little collection of cars out here. That would be enough to make any car guy smile. Some old stuff, some ratty stuff, some new stuff. But let's wait for the couple to come out. Let's have some fun. going along for a ride in the smoke show. Oh, let's see what else happens. There it is. They took Dylan for a little donut ride. I don't know if Mackenzie's gonna go, but we're having fun. There they are, the happy couple. I think they're taking TJ's car for a ride. That would be cool. But we're gonna get out of here. I'm glad we were able to give him a little fun from the time home for his wedding. And I'll see you guys on the next one.